channel. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mehak Khemka and I create content related to fashion, beauty, DIY hauls and vlogs. So if you are interested to watch any of this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, in today's video I'll be telling you about the most affordable hair styling kit. एक्चुअली मैं भी बहुत टाइम से ढूंढ रही थी एक मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल हेयर स्टाइलिंग किट एंड फाइनली आई गॉट वन. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट लेट्स जस्ट रिव्यू एंड शो इट टू यू guys as well. And yeah, so I thought why not let's just share it with you guys. And also in this video I'll be announcing the giveaway winner. So if you have participated in my giveaway, please keep watching till the end cause I'll be announcing the winner. So yeah, and now without wasting more time, let's just get into the video. So let's start. So the hairstyling tool that I got is this Havells Fine One Multi Styling Kit. So this is how it looks, as you can see. So I like this packaging, like इसके ऊपर सब कुछ दिया हुआ है, like इसके अंदर क्या है क्या नहीं है. So I like this. So I'll tell you what it is, like इसके अंदर क्या है. So it is a Fine One Multi Styling Kit. So इसके अंदर 5 types के hair styling products है. So yeah. So first one is the straightener. The second one is the crimper. The third one is the 19 centimeter, like that is 19 mm curler. And fourth one is the conical curler. And this is the brush comb to give volume to your hair. So yeah, this is the Fine One hair styling kit from Havells. And let me open and show it to you guys. I will use every tool so you can get a better idea like how it works. So yeah. Also this Havells Fine One's hair styling kit comes with that all the kit and also this booklet which has 2-year guarantee, which is like wow, 2 साल की guarantee is like something amazing. I like it. And also the guide, like if you don't know how to use, you can just go through this and just see how you can use this. This is the guide booklet and here you can see the 2 years guarantee wala thing, guarantee card. So as soon as I open this, this is what it is inside. So this is the main body. This is the 19 mm curler and the brush, and this is the conical curler. This one is the straightener and crimping machine. So I'll show it to you how it works. So this is the body, how it looks, and I like the color and the black and this bluish kind of color. This is looking amazing. And this is the wire. Now we have an attachment over this side, so you can attach whatever you want to use. So the first thing I'm going to try is this hair comb and the curler. So let's just attach it. So we have this 2 button, as you can see. We just need to press and just plug it in. And this is how it is attached. So now I need to just plug in. So here we have the button. So when you on it, as you can see, the light came, and when you off it, it goes off. So now I'll just allow it to heat for a few seconds, maybe 15 to 30 seconds. So yeah, इसमें adjustable thing नहीं है, like not that temperature adjusting thing, but yeah, we need to on and start using it. So let's see how it works. I'll just open my hair. So it has become hot. So let's see how it works. As you can see, this side is giving more definition and the frizziness is gone as compared to this side. You can see the difference. It is giving more volume to my hair, which I like it, and also making it more smooth. So this is what it does. Let's use the 19 mm curler by removing this. I'll just off it because it's hot. So I just tied my hair like this to show it to you guys. So let's start. I'll take this part of the hair and use the 19 mm curler. So इसका heating हो चुका है. Now let's just so I'll keep it for 5 seconds and see how it works. So yeah, this is how it is looking. Like within 5 seconds इसने मुझे इतना अच्छा curl दे दिया. I was not expecting, but anyways, this is what it is and I am just loving it. Now let's just try the conical curler in this side so you can see the difference. So yeah, so now this is my conical curler and this is the body. Let's attach it. It's very easy to attach. Now I'm switching it on and waiting it for heating like 5 to 10 seconds. That's more than enough. So इसका heating हो चुका है. Now I'll take a part and see how this works. So yes. You need to be careful ना, कहीं लग ना जाए, cause इसका heating थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. So yeah. So as you can see, this curl and this curl. This is giving more definition as compared to this. I like this one. This is the loose kind of curl and this is a beachy curl, what we say this. Yeah. So this is how it is looking. So as you can see, basically इसका ceramic coating है, so this is not going to damage your hair. Now let's just remove this and attach my straightening वाला attachment and see how that works. Cause curler तो बहुत अच्छा work कर रहा है, like within seconds, like बहुत easy था and also affordable भी है. Like इसका pricing है 2200 something on Amazon. I'll link down that so you can buy from my link. And now let's just remove this and attach the straightening attachment. So this is the straightening attachment. Basically when you just open it and if you remove this plate, here we have the crimping side, so you just need to rotate and put it inside. So ये crimping बन जाएगा straightening से, which is like nice ना, थोड़ा space कम consume कर रहा है. So I like it. First we'll start with straightening. So we'll just attach and see how this straightening works, and later we'll try the crimping one. So I have attached the straightening and let it heat. So this is the ceramic coating as I said, and it is like very nice for 2200 rupees, very budget friendly and also gives nice curls. And let's see about the straightening and crimping. मैंने crimping try किया है already. Crimping is awesome. So let me show you as well. And yeah, also it rotates 360 degree, so like you can plug in anywhere. And also इसका wire is also very long, so like थोड़ा plug दूर भी है तो भी you can use it. So the product they have given in such a nice amount is really worth it. And now let's see how this straightening works. So yeah, we'll take this part जिसको हमने curl किया है and see. Basically मैं दूसरे साइड से टैप करके फिर इसको नीचे स्लाइड करती हूँ. Basically मैं तो ऐसे ही करती हूँ. So okay, ये एक बार में हो गया. Okay, nice. Also ये मेरे like इसका ceramic coating है तो ये मेरे hairs को damage भी नहीं कर रहा. And when I done it for the second time, OMG, like ये बहुत अच्छा है. Seriously, I'm telling you guys. So yeah, the straightening has been like super amazing, super amazing. And now the last thing we need to do is the crimping. Crimping is awesome. Like I can give you the guarantee, crimping is awesome. And now we'll just attach the crimping side. So now this is the straightening side. When you remove this and turn it around, it becomes crimping as I said. So it consumes less space. So as you can see, now it has become the crimping. So now we'll wait for 10 to 15 seconds till the time it gets heated. So yeah, now we'll be doing crimping on the side which we have done straightening, cause वो straight हो गया है. So we'll get to know how the crimping works straight side पे. So yeah, we'll take this much part. One second. We'll take this much part for crimping and just press it. Can you see? So this is how the crimping works. As I said, crimping बहुत awesome है, and you can see it like in front of your eyes. Crimping is so awesome. So if you don't know what is crimping, like crimping ऐसा लगता है, and it adds volumes to your hair, which I love the most, adding volume in my hair. Now we'll try this side also. As you can see, so this is how it is looking, the crimping side. And let me tell you, ये मेरे बाल को rough नहीं बना रहा है बिल्कुल भी, as I told, because of the ceramic coating. So this is how it was looking. So that was the hair kit I wanted to show you guys, which is lovely and also very budget friendly. So I thought, why not, let's just share it with you guys. So even if you want to buy a hair styling kit, you can go for this one. And now it's time to announce the giveaway winner. So first of all, thank you so much everyone for participating in my giveaway and supporting me. So I have personally chosen the giveaway winner by seeing the efforts they have put into this giveaway. So the winner is Tamanna_3Z, like this is the username. I'll put it here. So if you're watching this video, please DM me on Instagram your address and phone number. I'll send it to you, the giveaway products, and this was the winner. Like there were many people who put in so much efforts in this giveaway, but anyways, I'll be running more giveaway in future. So if you like my content, please continue watching it. Like giveaway खत्म हो गया तो छले मत जाना. So I'll be running more giveaway soon. So stay tuned for that. So that was it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and also like this was very helpful to you to find a hairstyling kit for yourself. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below and let me know what do you think about this video and if this was helpful or not. And please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I'll be seeing you in next video. Till then, bye bye, and stay tuned for my next video. So bye bye.